Welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining. This is Michael Carter here from MoneyMike.com, and this is Money Hacks at 8 p.m. Thank you for joining. So tonight we're looking at, getting rid of Photoshop once and for all. Okay, so if you're an internet marketer, you do any kind of business online, you're using, if you're a blogger, whatever that is, okay, you're using images online. And the problem with Photoshop is it's difficult to learn. Now, you want to have something that's much easier and user friendly, all right? So you want to have an easier solution that is more accessible for photo editing software. Okay, that's basically what you need. And this product, guys, that I'm talking about, this is a Photoshop-like editor for WordPress. Plus, you get millions of images, okay, that are accessible to you. So very, very cool. Now, some of the takeaways or the benefits of this is, Photoshop, first of all, is a drag. Like, it literally is a drag. I use it all the time, so I know. And if you don't know, it's an expensive program to get your hands on. Okay, so for the average person, it's an expensive program to get. And, a lot of people, you don't want to have to go to that expense. Plus the other issues with it. There's an inconvenient learning curve with Photoshop. And, it's slow. It's definitely a resource hog that your computer it doesn't need. And I don't even know how many times that I've had issues with my computer running slow because of it. It's crashed, and it's because Photoshop's running in the background. I run into all these problems, and it's generally overkill for the average person. Okay, unless you're maybe a graphic designer, by profession, then by all means stick with it. But I mean, you don't have to, okay? You don't have to have this expensive resource hog of a program on your computer. And, most people, they need power and accuracy to do simple things like, editing images for their website while keeping a high quality, right? You don't want to sacrifice the quality of images. So you want to have that high quality. Now, there has to be an easier way. Okay, so what you really need is something that you can use for editing images all in one place under one roof without having to load an entirely different heavyweight software like Photoshop. Okay, so that's basically what I'm getting at. Photoshop, Now, this product that I'm talking about, it lets you do all of your image editing within WordPress. Okay, so very, very cool. And since majority of people are using WordPress, and I do encourage you to use the WordPress platform, this is perfect for website owners, blog owners who use images on their site every day, right? Most people are using images constantly, and it has a Photoshop style of editing, but it's much simpler, much easier to use, much, much easier to use. And this really is the closest thing to Photoshop that is built into WordPress itself. So honestly, I'm surprised that nobody has actually done this before. And maybe they have, I haven't heard of it or seen it. And I've seen a lot of stuff. And this is super cool. This will save you so much time and make blogging a breeze, okay, or creating images for your site super easy. It comes literally, get this, with millions of photos that are accessible to you, and you don't have to go searching for pics anywhere else. You can do it all in one place. Now, you don't have to worry about licenses. Okay, you're not going and having to license photos. The value here is absolutely incredible. If you think, if you have to go out and get pictures, okay, if you go to some of these stock photo sites, pictures will cost you $10, $15 and up just for a single photo. Okay. Now, the creator of this program, Ankur Shukla, this guy, seriously, he's the king of WordPress plugins. And to me, he's created something that will make, your lives, my life, so much easier. And this is such a practical program that people 100% guaranteed are going to use, okay? Because it's so useful, so practical, and so easy to use. And, once again, he's created a phenomenal program that anybody and everybody, I think, should be looking at using. Now, every website and I think every blog on the planet needs images as part of their content. You have to have it. So, to me, this is one of those, and I don't like saying this, but it is one of those no-brainer programs for site owners. So if you guys want to check this out, I'll show you the link here where you can check out WP FotoPress. So here's the link right here. Now, if you guys want to also get entered into my cash contest, okay, I have a cash contest, and this program, WP FotoPress, launches on October 31st on Halloween at 10 a.m. Eastern. Okay, so pick it up in the morning. Now, for those that pick this up and to get entered into my cash contest, all you do is pick this up, send me your PayPal receipt to me at mike@moneymike.com. Again, that's mike@moneymike.com. I'm going to get that, and I'm going to enter you into my contest. And one lucky person, okay, one lucky person is going to win $102. And I'm going to draw that on November 11th. Okay, November 11th will be the draw for that. And one lucky person, excuse me, I'm losing my voice. One lucky person will win $102 cash. So a couple things. You get an unbelievable program here with WP FotoPress. There's the link one more time. Again, launches October 31st, 10 a.m. Eastern. And you get the chance to win $102 cash. So awesome deal, guys. Again, if you're sick and tired of Photoshop, this is going to be the game changer for you, where you're not having to spend a ton of money like you do in Photoshop. This is going to make editing photos an absolute breeze, and you have access to literally millions of high quality photos that you don't need licenses for. So awesome stuff, guys. Check it out. Again, there's the link one more time. And that is about it, guys. This is Money Hacks at 8 p.m. Thanks for joining. I'm Michael Carter from MoneyMike.com, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.